It's Aam Aadmi Party MLA Mohinder Goyal who's been facing charge of did he send approval for forged documents. Now, earlier it appeared he's not going to respond to the police summons, but according to our information coming in, he will be joining the probe and basically the questioning by the Delhi police. He had contacted the police late last night and said he's going to join the questioning today. Now, what is the grilling going to be on? There was an investigation Delhi police was doing in which some forged documents were recovered on which there was a stamp and signature of Aam Aadmi Party MLA Mohinder Goyal. Now, he says, I did not stamp on any of these forged documents. I've been nowhere involved with this. And that is why the questioning has been required. Remember, this Bangladeshi voter racket was busted by the cops where these allegedly illegal Bangladeshi immigrants were found to have full-on citizen cards. अरविंद ओझा joining me for the latest on that. अरविंद, ये सिर्फ राजनीति का मुद्दा नहीं है, ये नेशनल सिक्योरिटी का इशू भी आ जाता है यहाँ पे. तो क्यों मोहिंदर गोयल पर ये गाज गिर रही है? क्यों दिल्ली पुलिस चाहती है कि ये सवाल जवाब के लिए आए?
देखिए, दिल्ली पुलिस ने बीते दिनों एक रैकेट को बस्ट किया था इलीगल बांग्लादेशियों का, जिसमें कुछ लोगों को गिरफ्तार किया गया था और उनके पास से फॉर्ज डॉक्यूमेंट रिकवर हुए थे और उसी से कनेक्शन है जो आम आदमी पार्टी के विधायक हैं मोहिंदर गोयल का, ऐसा दिल्ली पुलिस का दावा है. जिसके बाद दिल्ली पुलिस ने एक के बाद एक 2 नोटिस भेजे थे मोहिंदर गोयल और उनके स्टाफ रोहित कालरा को पूछताछ के बुलाया था, लेकिन दोनों ही नोटिस के बावजूद मोहिंदर गोयल पूछताछ में शामिल नहीं हुए. लेकिन अभी कुछ देर पहले ही दिल्ली पुलिस के टॉप ऑफिशियल ने इंडिया टुडे को बताया है कि मोहिंदर गोयल ने कल देर रात कॉन्टैक्ट किया था और आज वो पूछताछ में शामिल होंगे, ऐसा उन्होंने कहा. तो बहुत मुमकिन है कि आज जो आम आदमी पार्टी के एमएलए हैं मोहिंदर गोयल, वो दिल्ली पुलिस के सामने पेश होंगे और अपना पक्ष रखेंगे. साथ ही साथ जो केस है उस केस से रिलेटेड जो चीजें हैं, जो क्वेश्चन है, वो दिल्ली पुलिस के सीनियर ऑफिसर आम आदमी पार्टी के जो एमएलए हैं मोहिंदर गोयल, उनसे पूछेंगे. कल मोहिंदर गोयल ने जब नोटिस मिला था तो इंडिया टुडे ने बात की थी, तब इंडिया टुडे से ये कहा था कि पूरे आरोप झूठे हैं, कॉन्स्पिरेसी बताया था, इलेक्शन है इस वजह से कॉन्स्पिरेसी बताया था और साथ ही साथ दिल्ली पुलिस से 10 दिन का वक्त मांगा था. लेकिन दिल्ली पुलिस ने पूछताछ का प्रेशर बढ़ाया, जिसके बाद मोहिंदर गोयल ने कहा कि वो आज पूछताछ में शामिल होंगे, दिल्ली पुलिस के सामने वो पेश होंगे.
We'll be tracking all the latest and more, and it is reflective of what could be happening, politics aside, on the ground. Because, Arvind, thank you very much for now. Amid a crackdown on the illegal immigrants controversy, AAP MLA Mohinder Goyal was summoned by Delhi police for the second time. Aam Aadmi Party MLA initially did not want to appear and respond to the summons, but it appears now he is going to join in the investigation and will join in for the questioning as well. Goyal basically has stated that he did not sign any forged document and that his signature and stamp, basically because by the police, were found on some allegedly forged documents, and that's what led trouble for him. There were some electronic devices that were sent for FSL analysis, and that's also where it was discovered that it were his signature and stamp used for 26 Aadhaar documents. BJP has jumped on this. They are alleging Aam Aadmi Party government has been helping illegal immigrants settle in Delhi, become voters for Delhi and become like Indian citizens, even though they are illegal. But Aam Aadmi Party has said that they haven't done any such thing.
हम कानून का सम्मान करते हैं. कोई भी कानूनी प्रक्रिया के तहत कोई नोटिस आएगा उसका जवाब. क्या लगता है आपको, आखिर क्या है जिस तरह के आरोप लग रहे हैं? ये सब मनगढ़ंत कहानी है. चुनाव के अंदर पता लग रहा है कि 17 में 17 सीटें दिल्ली के अंदर आ रही हैं, इसलिए ये चुनावी स्टंट बनाया है.
वीडियो जारी किया है, जिस वीडियो में आप देख सकते हैं कि रोहिंग्या घुसपैठी खुद बता रहे हैं कि उनको 10,000 रुपए महीना, उनको राशन, उनको जल बोर्ड का पानी, अवैध बिजली के कनेक्शन सब आम आदमी पार्टी के लोगों के द्वारा, अमानतुल्लाह खान के द्वारा दिए गए. उनके टेंट लगा के बस्तियां बसाई गई. जब उसको हटाने के लिए कार्रवाई की गई तो वहां पे पथराव किया गया. ये वीडियो एविडेंस बताता है कि दिल्ली में रोहिंग्या और बांग्लादेशियों को न केवल बसाया जा रहा है, बल्कि उनको वोटर लिस्ट में ऐड करा के दिल्ली की डेमोग्राफी चेंज करने की कोशिश भी की जा रही है. उसको आज हमने एक्सपोज किया है.
इट वॉज फाउंड दैट 26 Aadhaar update forms had the signature and seal of 2 Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, namely Mohinder Goyal from Rithala Vidhan Sabha. 15 people upon investigation have, according to Indian media, confirmed that on their Aadhaar update form, MLA Mohinder Goel's signatures and seal was put. 10 individuals have confirmed during investigation that they went to the office of Mohinder Goel and, in cahoots with the office staff of Mohinder Goel, they procured the Aam Aadmi Party MLA's signature and seal.
These charges, because remember, this is not just about political showdown, but could be much more worse. Basically, according to the police, when they were unfolding an investigation, AAP MLA Mohinder Goel and his aides' stamp and signature were found from some forged documents. It was basically a forgery gang laptop that was accessed by the Delhi police. That is where they said it appeared to be AAP MLA signatures. According to some of the tech experts who have come forth to say that there were birth certificates that were created, that there were certain sites that were used as well. Basically, remember, you need birth certificates, you need a proof of where you were born, where have you lived, all of this for further documents. And if the fake birth certificate in itself is the beginning, that means a lot more of a bigger scam is happening. 2 more individuals who were the Aadhaar operators. So remember, Aadhaar cannot be just done by anyone else. There's a full-on procedure by it and has to be sanctioned by the government. However, these Aadhaar operators managed to forge the papers. Cops say they were allegedly staffers of the AAP MLA or were in some way associated with his office. Now, according to these, while all these charges have been, of course, denied by the AAP MLA, one Saddam Hussain and Deepak Mishra, who are these tech experts who basically managed to forge these documents, held in fraud with this big scam. That's not all. There was another tech expert by the name of Sonu Kumar who came in, who ran websites for fake certificates as well. So there could literally be a fake birth certificate that could come in from a fake website that has been built. All of this is from quoting from the Delhi police, and they were unfolding an investigation. And as and more layers came in onto that, they realized that there is perhaps much more murky political involvement allegedly on this.